Hello everyone! Here is a video guide for our lesson today about solving number problems involving polynomials and polynomial equations. Are you ready? Don't forget to listen attentively to know more about our topic. If in case there is something you don't understand, you may replay this video. For lesson 1, we will discuss on solving number problems involving polynomials and polynomial equations. Do you have any idea about the topic? If not, don't worry. I am here to guide you on the process. Let's start our discussion with a game. Game ka na ba? You can answer as fast as you can. Here's a challenge where you can get a chance to win 50 pesos worth of cell phone load. Answer within 30 seconds to get this amazing prize. Here is the question. The product of three positive integers is 54. The second integer is 1 more than the first. The third is 5 more than twice the first. Find these three integers. There are few steps to solve the problem. Step 1. Identify the given. The given are the product of three integers is 54. It is also given that the second integer is 1 more than the first. The third integer is 5 more than twice the first. Next, what is asked in the problem? You are asked to find these three positive numbers. Can you follow? Let us proceed to the next step. Our next step 2 is you are going to make representations. How are we going to represent the given in the problem? You are right. We are going to use algebraic expressions. To start with, let x be the first integer. The second integer is 1 more than the first. So the algebraic expression is x plus 1. Take note of this. 1 more than. It means that plus 1. So our second integer here is 1 more than the first. The first is represented by x. So this is our first integer. And it is 1 more than. So the algebraic expression is x plus 1 for our second integer. Next, the third integer is 5 more than twice the first. The algebraic expression is 2x plus 5. Take note again, 5 more than. It means that plus 5. And then twice the first. Twice means 2 of the first integer. So our, again, first integer is represented by x. So the meaning of twice the first is double the first integer, which is represented by x. So again, our third integer is 5 more than twice the first, represented by algebraic expression, which is 2x plus 5. Can you follow? Let us proceed to step 3. For Step 3, we are going to solve the given equation. Our equation is x times the quantity of x plus 1 times the quantity of 2x plus 5 equals 54. Take note, we are going to find the product of the three integers. The first integer is represented by x here, so multiply by the second integer which is represented by x plus 1, and multiply again to the third integer which is represented by 2x plus 5. So it is equal to 54, since we are going to find the product. Next, first thing to do is to multiply x times x plus 1. So x times x is equals to x squared. X times 1 is equals to x. And then after that, we are now going to apply the FOIL method. Take note, FOIL method means F stands for first, O for outer, I for inner, and L for last. We are going to multiply two binomials here, x squared plus x times 2x plus 5. So first, x squared times 2x. We have 2x cubed. Next, x squared times 5. We have 5x squared. Followed by the inner part, x times 2x is 2x squared. And L stands for last is x times 5. We have 5x equals 54. Next is we are going to combine similar terms. Take note, we have two similar terms here, like 5x squared and 2x squared. So what we are going to do is just copy the 2x cubed. So 5x squared plus 2x squared, that is 7x squared. And copy 5x, so plus 5x equals 54. For step 4, we are going to solve the equations. In this case, in our equation 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 5x equals 54, we are going to apply learning how to solve polynomial equation. Since you are required to find positive integers, you may not include negative numbers and fractions in your list of possible rational roots. The possible rational roots is represented by P over Q, where P here is equal to 54 and Q is equals to 2. So the possible roots are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, and 27. To solve the polynomial equations, let us try using synthetic division. In our trial, we will encounter that 2 is a solution. Since there is only one variation of sign in equation 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 5x minus 54 equals 0, there is only one positive solution. Remember, we used synthetic division to solve the polynomial equation. Thus, the first integer, which is represented by x, is equals to 2. The second integer, which is x plus 1, since our x here is equals to 2, then substitute 2 in x. So x plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 equals 3. The third integer is 2x plus 5. Again, our first integer, x, is equals to 2. So substitute 2 in x, so it will become 2 times 2 plus 5 equals 9. Our step 5 is to verify answers. Since we are asked to find the product of the three numbers, which is 54, then let us check. First integer is 2. Second integer is 3. And the third integer is 9. To find the product of these three numbers, is it equals to 54? Yes, we got it correct. Now, how do you find the lesson? Are you ready to practice? I know you can do it. Here is another problem for you to practice. The three numbers will be used to unlock the code. Can you please help me finding three numbers to unlock this code? The problem is the product of three positive integers is 48. The second integer is 1 more than the first. The third integer is 2 more than thrice the first. Find these three integers. Take note, the product of these three integers is 48. So try to solve it in your notes. By the way, if our lesson is clear to you, then you are now ready for more practices that could be found in your Math 10 module number 33. This is Teacher Vanessa. Enjoy working and learning. Bye-bye!